Catherine here, and I want to show you how I personally have paid one of my affiliates over $80,000 in the last year in affiliate sales money. So I want to show you what this looked like behind the scenes. I want to show you how we did this, and I want to show you how you can get in on this, okay? So let me go ahead and show you how this happened. So I'm gonna flip my camera around here. If we look here, we got our nice little PayPal. You can see we start here December 22nd, 2018, and then the payments go all the way up through right here, November. So I still have another payment to make in December. You can see I pay out on the 21st or 22nd. So there we go there. But again, here's a payment of almost $12,000. 1,500, three, blah, blah, blah. Keep going. We had a huge launch, $25,000, another $11,000 payment, and she's got a chunk of change coming as well this time, okay? Now, if you add all of these up, it equals $81,590.01. This is the amount of money that I have paid a single person. We're a little out of focus here. A single person in 1 year. Just from affiliate commissions alone. That's awesome. Okay, so how is this so successful? How does this work? Now, this particular product that this woman is making affiliate commissions for is my product called CF Design School. Now, CF Design School, I show you how to visually engineer funnels that convert, okay? It's not enough to just slap up a website or a funnel. You need to know how to design it in terms of structure or font or images or what colors you're using, your call to actions, your spacing, like all these different things have a direct influence on how much money you make. So when you're able to know how to do that, not only can you make more money for the own products and services that you sell, but if you're an agency helping other people, this is how you can do it. So I want to walk you through how we were able to make this happen. So my product, CF Design School, helps a ton of different people, but I want to show you there's actually a few trends in the amount of people that actually super kill it with this. So let me flip this back around so you can see. So the people that absolutely kill it making money with the skills that they learn in CF Design School are obviously funnel builders. They're able to take what they're doing and just do it better or sell to other people. Affiliate marketers. Sometimes affiliate marketing takes a second to ramp up. CF Design School gives you a skill set to make money by the weekend that you start learning it, okay? So that's really, really powerful. Virtual assistants and social media managers. This is huge. They're working online, but they've capped out at 25, 35, 45, 55, maybe if they're lucky, dollars an hour. What funnel design does is it allows you to learn a crazy lucrative skill set where you are making $500, $1,000, $1,500 per hour, okay? Agency owners. So if you already have a funnel design agency or a funnel agency, this is going to help you make more money. If you're doing traffic and you want to know how to upsell what you're already doing, this is help. And then people who want to leave their jobs, again, CF Design School is designed to help you to know how to make money quickly, okay? So not only do I show you this skill set, but I show you how to sell this. So it's really, really powerful. Now, this particular woman, she teaches virtual assistants, social media managers, and we knew we were a good fit. And so what we did, we worked together, and honestly, on her end, what I did on my end, whipped up everything, got her swipe files, got her videos. All she had to do was literally schedule it and show up. I did the rest of the work. So I want to show you a little bit what this looks like, okay? So we have, like you can see, this is one particular launch we did, a countdown schedule, okay? So this was literally last year, okay? But we did this. Here's the date you're gonna post it. Here's the day, and then sometimes in the morning. Here is the content, the actual video. Here's the length of the video. Here's the medium you're gonna do it. And here is the message that you're gonna post as well as the email. So every single day had a Facebook message, which included a video and an email. And we just pounded that out till we actually did the training on this actual day, and then again, follow-up stuff as well. There are a few more steps to make this magic happen, but that literally is kind of the gist. It's like, hey, do you have a group of people that need this service? And if the answer is yes, then obviously I have a product that can work. So let's combine and conquer. So what do? We create a countdown schedule so that all that this woman had to do was literally copy and paste and show up. And we've been able to do that 2 different times. And then a lot of her other stuff, she's actually embedded that exact training that we did in her group into her course, which now brings her evergreen affiliate sales, which has meant that literally over the course of the last year, I have paid this woman over $81,000 just for affiliate commission sales for one product alone. This stuff works. If you have a group where you're teaching funnel builders, affiliate marketers, agency owners, virtual assistants, social media managers, or just people that are trying to get into the entrepreneurial space to leave their job, I guarantee you that CF Design School is the answer that they've been looking for. So if you want to help serve your audience, a win, you want to make some money for yourself, $81,000 in a year, just on Chameleon sales alone, win, give me a call. I can help you out.